One of the questions some people have, especially if someone they know has just been arrested, is what's going to happen to them after they're arrested and when they're taken to jail. I can tell you what happens here in McLennan County, and it's generally what happens in most places. When you're arrested, you're taken to the jail, wherever that may be. Here it's the McLennan County Jail. You're booked in, and that process really is a process of getting information from you, taking fingerprints, taking a photograph, listing what the charges are. As part of that process, they'll check your prior history and determine if you have one and you've been there before. They'll take information about your medical history, your medical condition, in case there's anything that they need to be aware of, anything that needs to be treated, or any medications that need to be taken. And then you'll be placed in a holding cell or a holding facility. And that's basically a part of the jail where people are held until their cases are processed and until a judge can see them. Once you're arrested, the charges are filed, and then a judge will come out and go over the offense, warn the person, and most importantly, set a bond. And that bond is the amount that they will need to post in order to get out of jail, either through contacting a bail bondsman and making arrangements with them, or posting that amount in cash. Depending on when you're arrested, you may end up staying in jail for some period of time. Most people are arrested in the evening, which means you usually have to spend the night there and wait until the judge comes. Here in McLennan County, the judges usually come out early in the morning, or first thing in the morning, and sometimes later in the afternoon. So if you're arrested in the evening, you're probably going to have to wait until the judge comes out. He'll go over everything with you. He'll set a bond, and then you'll be able to contact someone so that they can make your bond. Once that happens, then you'll be released. Generally, most people that are arrested stay in the holding facility. They're never actually transferred into the main part of the jail unless they determine that they can't make bond. If they can't make bond, then you'll be processed, placed in another part of the jail, and you'll stay there until you either go to court or until somebody can make your bond for you. So that's the process of what happens, and that's why it sometimes takes a while between the time that someone's arrested and the time that they're able to get out of jail, because you can't get out until a bond has been set.